Good morning, guys. It's a special day today because it's the birthday of our beautiful teacher here in Maria Cristina Elementary School. It's Purple Wednesday. You're white ko. Okay, na. Here are some foodies and agaw is very much right now. Kay gigutom na siya. And there is the surprise.
Okay, panalangin ni kami Ginoo, kining grasya nga mo karong kadwaton sinabi ni sa imong kamaayo Lord. Daghan kay salamat sa blessings, daghan ko kay salamat Lord sa gasto sa kinabuhi, kining tanan among ipasalamatan ug pangayo kanimo Lord, kinabilikis sa among Ginoo. Amen.
Amen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kahira gyud mag-birthday ang Maria Cristina teachers kay naagay pa booking kwarta. Mo na gyud pinaka-importante karon ang kwarta. Kung ganahan gyud mo kadawat og bukian ng mga bulak, kwarta na gyud. Transfer na mag Maria Cristina Elementary School.
Okay, go, picture. Right now.
Sige, picture na mo. Feeling lamig lawas.
Lamig lawas.
Feeling lamig
lawas.
After 4 hours of eating, bilin.
Dako na dito daw na kung kanaka.
Bilin siya, ari kilid oh.
Daw nagawa na.
Kala oh. Busogaw? Tabusog ragaw? Mga kalamig lawas.